You probably spend hundreds of hours in your car every year. But what if a few cheap Amazon gadgets could completely change the way you drive? Today, we're looking at 15 insanely cool car gadgets that are smarter, cleaner, safer, and way more useful than most people expect. Some of these feel futuristic. Some are just ridiculously satisfying. And one of them could seriously save you during an emergency. And trust me, the last gadget is something almost every driver wishes they had earlier. So before you buy another useless car accessory, watch this first. Welcome to Gear Finds, your spot for the coolest gadgets on the internet. All product links in description below. Let's dive in. Ever been stuck on a long drive with bored passengers and non-stop complaints from the back seat? This gadget instantly fixes that by turning your back seat into a mini entertainment setup. It securely holds tablets in place, so passengers can watch movies, YouTube, or play games hands-free during road trips. Even on rough roads, the adjustable mount keeps everything stable and easy to view. It's simple, practical, and honestly one of those gadgets families wish they bought sooner. Once you install it, road trips feel quieter, smoother, and way less stressful for everyone inside the car. Now, if your car constantly runs out of charging ports, this next gadget is seriously useful. It expands a single outlet into multiple charging options, so phones, tablets, dash cams, and other devices can all stay powered at the same time. The design stays compact without cluttering your dashboard with messy cables everywhere. It also includes built-in safety protection against overheating, making it perfect for everyday driving or long road trips. Small upgrade, but it makes your car feel way more modern and convenient instantly. Speaking of upgrades, this next gadget makes your car look surprisingly premium at night. The moment you open your doors, bright projection lights appear underneath and give your vehicle a futuristic luxury car vibe that instantly grabs attention. Installation is easier than most people expect, but the final effect looks incredibly clean after dark. It's one of those affordable modifications that completely changes the personality of your car without doing anything complicated or expensive. But looks aren't everything. Protecting your interior matters too. This upgrade helps keep your seats safe from spills, dirt, sunlight, and daily wear, while giving your car a cleaner and more premium appearance overall. The material feels soft, durable, and surprisingly high quality for the price. Instead of loose, bulky covers, everything fits cleanly and naturally. If you want your interior to stay looking newer longer, this is honestly one of the smartest car upgrades you can buy. And if your backseat always looks messy during trips, this gadget quietly solves that problem fast. It creates extra storage space for snacks, tissues, chargers, phones, drinks, and other random items that usually end up scattered everywhere. The transparent pockets make everything easy to find instantly, especially during long drives. It's not flashy or futuristic, but once you start using it daily, you realize how much cleaner and more organized your entire car suddenly feels. If you're enjoying these gadgets so far, hit that like button and subscribe to Gear Finds for more cool Amazon tech, smart car accessories, and viral gadget finds every single week. Alright, now let's get into some next level gadgets that feel straight out of the future. This next gadget is something every driver hopes they never need, but it can become a lifesaver during emergencies. It creates extremely bright flashing warning lights that help make your vehicle visible during breakdowns, bad weather, or nighttime roadside situations. It's compact, powerful, and easy to store inside your vehicle without taking up much space. Whether you travel often or drive late at night, having extra visibility during emergencies can honestly make a huge difference. Now imagine opening your car during a hot summer drive and grabbing an ice-cold drink instantly. This portable gadget basically turns your vehicle into a mini refrigerator without needing messy ice or traditional coolers. It keeps snacks and drinks chilled during camping trips, road trips, or daily commuting in hot weather. Once people start traveling with this setup, they usually never want to go back to regular coolers again. Of course, road trips also mean packing problems. This next gadget gives your vehicle a huge amount of extra storage space without making the inside feel crowded or uncomfortable during travel. It's perfect for luggage, sports equipment, camping gear, or family vacations. The aerodynamic design also helps reduce wind noise while driving, making long-distance trips feel way more organized and less stressful overall. If you drive an older vehicle, this next gadget instantly makes it feel modern again. It adds wireless navigation, music controls, smartphone connectivity, and hands-free calling directly to your dashboard in minutes. The touchscreen looks sharp, responds quickly, and completely upgrades the driving experience without replacing your entire stereo system. Honestly, this is one of the smartest tech upgrades drivers can add to older cars right now. Now, let's talk about pure style. This lighting upgrade gives your vehicle an aggressive, futuristic look that stands out immediately once the sun goes down. The sharp, glowing effect completely transforms the appearance of your headlights. It's sleek, eye-catching, and gives your car way more personality without spending thousands on custom modifications. Perfect for drivers who want their vehicle to feel unique every time they hit the road at night. Seeing the check engine light suddenly appear is stressful for almost every driver. Thankfully, this smart gadget connects directly to your phone and helps diagnose problems in minutes before paying expensive mechanic fees. It reads important vehicle information quickly and helps drivers understand what's happening under the hood. Small device, but it can save serious time, money, and frustration when unexpected issues appear. And this next gadget makes your dashboard feel straight out of a futuristic sports car. Instead of constantly looking down while driving, it projects important information directly onto your windshield in front of you. The display looks incredibly clean at night and helps drivers stay focused on the road ahead. It's one of those upgrades that feels both futuristic and genuinely useful at the same time. Now, if small items constantly disappear between your seats, this gadget fixes that problem instantly. It creates extra storage space for phones, wallets, chargers, drinks, snacks, and other daily essentials, while keeping everything easy to reach. The slim design blends naturally into your interior and makes your car feel much cleaner overall. Simple idea, but surprisingly satisfying once everything finally has its own place. Most drivers just throw sunglasses into cup holders or leave them sliding across the dashboard. This small accessory keeps them secure, protected, and easy to grab anytime while driving. The magnetic design feels premium, looks clean, and clips neatly onto your visor without adding clutter. Tiny gadget, but honestly one of those things you end up using every single day without thinking about it. And finally, this last gadget makes parking feel dramatically easier and safer. It gives drivers a clear rear view while reversing, helping avoid obstacles, blind spots, and tight parking situations with much more confidence. The image quality stays sharp even during nighttime driving, making reversing feel far less stressful overall. Once you get used to parking with a setup like this, driving without one honestly feels outdated. And those were some of the coolest Amazon car gadgets you probably didn't know you needed. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Gear Finds for more viral gadgets, smart tech, and useful Amazon finds that are actually worth buying. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.